Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change language in iQIYI app in laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change language in iQIYI, head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar simply type in iQIYI.com. Then once you are logged into your account, then once you're inside a home page, what you need to do now is simply log in with your credentials. Simply click on this profile icon and then log in with your account. Then once logged into your account, you'll be seeing this language option right beside your profile icon, and here what you need to do is just simply select a language that you want to view as. Then once done, the selected language will be applied to your home page. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.